Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money on XM Trading. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to xm.com and sign into your account. Now once you've signed into your account, on the left hand side we've got these little tabs here. Want to go ahead and find the one that says quick and secure, so make instant deposits and withdrawals 24/7. So click onto that little bar. Now to the right we've got a few options. So these methods are disabled because I haven't finished registering or setting up this account, because it's just a demo account to show people how to use it. So now from here we can go ahead and choose how to we would like to deposit money. So we've got a few options here. So we've got rapid transfer via Skrill, credit debit card, Skrill, Neteller, international wire, PaySafe card, Apple Pay, Open Banking, Google Pay. So choose which method, and then on the next page you want to go ahead and choose the amount you like to deposit. And I'm pretty certain the minimum deposit is usually around $5 USD or equivalent in your country for most account types. Then complete the payment. So depending on the method, so cards and e-wallets, pay online, funds are usually added instantly to your XM trading account after successful payment. Bank transfer, follow instructions and use the XM's bank details. Funds may take a few business days to arrive. Then from there you want to go ahead and check your trading balance. It's going to update here once that has been added in